Hey everybody, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I've got the bargain bead box for October of 2024. I'm going to do an unboxing for it. I'm so glad it came today because Wednesday we have Hurricane Milton coming through. I live in Florida. I am right in the eye of this storm, so this is giving me something to do while I'm waiting for this craziness to start. So I didn't look at it yet. If you're not familiar with the bargain bead box, I will leave a link below. I have a coupon code BNJ2 for $2 off your first box with them. The monthly boxes are $22.99 a month, and they're usually valued between $60 and $80. So let's see. This is called Leafy Landscape. Let's see what. Ooh. Oh, look at this. Okay, so it says, this earthy palette showcases the abstract beauty of Picasso Jasper. I love Picasso Jasper. With its gorgeous linear patterns and autumnal colors, I can't say that word, reminiscent of late fall horizon. Pumpkin leaf and pine cone motifs add to the autumn theme with sparkling crystal accents and a selection of findings in antique bronze. This cozy color combination makes me want to curl up with a good book and sip some tea. So this approximate total retail value is $81.82 for this box. And there's 20 pieces in it. So let's see what we have here. Oh, it's like Christmas every time we get this box. Oh, look at this. Oh, so pretty. Oh, check these out. Hematite man-made corrugated pumpkin beads. Oh, so pretty. Some ear wires. Always in need of those. And these were the ones that they had given us. They were a different color, and so they ended up giving these. I think this was the bag we got free. Let me see. Number 9. I think this was the one. She wanted this, and they ended up doing this, so she gave this to us free, which was really nice of her. Okay, let me get everything set up, and I'll be right back. Okay, so the first is, number 1 is the 33 by 18 millimeter Rainbow Picasso Jasper tab pendant. It's regularly $6.99. Look how pretty this is. So it's got a little dome here, and then this is the back part of it. This is really pretty. Love Picasso Jasper. Number 2 is 8 millimeter Rainbow Picasso Jasper round beads, 15 inches. And these are $7.99. These are heavy. Look at how pretty. I don't know if you can see all the different colors and hues in these. I don't want to make it fuzzy. But you can really, look how pretty those are. Ooh. Okay. Number 3 is Rainbow Picasso Jasper Rectangle Nugget Beads, 7.5 inches, and these are $8.99. These are pretty too. You can see. Sorry if my nails are a little chipped. We've been hurricane prepping. Oh, didn't have time to paint my nails. Oh, these are really pretty. We have that. Number 4 is 10 millimeter Rainbow Picasso Jasper round beads, 7.5 inches for $6.99. These are pretty. see the gorgeous. Number 5 is 4mm faceted agate dyed and heated round beads, 14.5 inches. And this is $4.99. These are pretty. These are agate beads. I don't know if it says that on there. No, it doesn't, but they're agate beads. I could tell they were gemstones. Look how pretty. All the different striations and colors in there. Such an earthy box, fall color box. And number 6, 8x6mm hematite man-made corrugated pumpkin beads in bronze, 7.5 inches. And this is with $3.99. Look at these. Oh, this is really cool. They look like little pumpkins from the side. These are great spacers. Even if you don't use them right now, and you use these for summer jewelry even, just, you know. I love all the ribs, the lines in these. They add a lot of texture to your jewelry. And number 7 is 4 pieces of 10 by 15mm Malaysia jade dyed quartz carved pumpkins for $5.99. Look at how cute these are. They all got a little bit different of a color to them. So pretty. Oh. Stay in there. And number 8 is 10-inch 5x5mm crystal English cut rounds in evergreen AB, $4.99. Oh, I love the English cut ones. Look at all that color and that sparkle. Oh, that jazz. Such a pretty color. And then I watched the YouTube video when they did a sneak peek for this box, because of course, you know, got to know what's going on. And these are the ones, number 9, 15 inches of 6x4mm crystal faceted round beads in green with bronze iris. I think this was the one that she said she wanted it darker, so she had ordered these. So she gave us these for free in the box. Just to be, you know, and like I had said to her in the YouTube comment underneath, because she said, you know, I know they don't match as much, but some people might really love them. And I said, even if we don't use them now, we can put these in our stash. You know, we will always be able to use these for something, you know, even if you don't use them with this month's box, you could mix them with something else. Make some stretch bracelets out of them even. So, yes. Okay. And next, number 10, 13-inch 4mm crystal faceted bicones and blue-green iris, 13 inches. Oh, this is pretty. This was $4.99. Look how pretty this is. Oh, look at the sparkle on these. Yeah, look how pretty these are. Gorgeous. Okay. Number 11 is 2 pieces of 35 by 20mm leaf pendants for $3.99. Oh, look at these, how pretty these are. So that's the back, and that's the front. Okay, and number 12, oh, these are cool. 10 pieces of 13 by 7mm pine cone charms, lead, nickel, cadmium free for $2.99. Oh, look how cute these are. Look how cute they are. Got a little bit of weight to them too. Okay. And number 13 is 30 pieces of 5mm corrugated barrel spacer beads, lead, nickel, cadmium free for $2.99. These are always nice to get. Because what you don't use, you could put them in your stash. Okay. Number 14 is 7mm bumpy 6-petal bead caps, lead, nickel, cadmium free for $2.99. These are really cool. So that's the front, and this is the back. So it's got a concave. These are really pretty. Those. And then number 15, these are pretty. 10 pieces of 15 by 9mm leaf links, lead, nickel, cadmium free for $2.99. So it looks like they're on both sides, and that's really nice. These are great connectors. You can use these for like dangle earrings or to connect your necklace, or you could do a connector bracelet. Very pretty. Number 16 is 2 pieces of 22 by 17mm leaf detail chandelier links. Oh. So that's the back of it. And then that's the front. Oh, these are pretty. Okay. And number 17 is 1 meter of 4 by 2.7mm oval jewelry chain, lead, nickel, cadmium free for $2.99. It's always nice that when they give us chain like this. We always get a different chain every month. This is one that's really easy to work with. Yeah. Okay. And number 18 is 17mm brass super hold magnetic oval clasp, lead, nickel, cadmium free for $2.99. Oh. Wow, that is really, this is really strong. Oh, whew. It's a force to be reckoned with. Okay, and number 19 is 5 grams of mixed brass jump rings and antique bronze. This is a bonus item. This is nice when they give you the little mix, you know, bag, because you got a little bit of everything. You can always use these. These are thicker ones too, so they're nice. Okay. And the next one is 10 pieces of nickel-free brass ear wires, another bonus item. These are pretty. We got that smooth little. So this is the Leafy Landscape Collection Bargain Bead Box for October of 2024. And I hope you enjoyed this. I'm going to be putting this up today as soon as I get done filming this, because when the hurricane comes through, I'm not sure when I'm going to be posting anything again. Hopefully it will slow down. So pray for us all here in Florida. And yes, I will see you on the other side of this hurricane. And I will see you later. And like I said, don't forget to use my coupon code BNJ2 for $2 off your first order with this box. All of my information is below. I'll leave another video connected to this for you to watch if you'd like to stay tuned for that. Thank you so much for watching, and I appreciate each and every one of you. And don't forget to hit the like button and share and subscribe my videos. It really helps my algorithms. Thank you so much.